Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we're able to fix this Jura N8. So pretty much what we did is we went inside the brew chamber and did a tune-up, pretty much cleaning out the whole inside of the machine, cleaning out the brew chamber and cleaning out and changing all the O-rings and all that, so to make sure it doesn't leak. Then we did a descaling cycle and a cleaning cycle using cleaning tablets and a descaler. So we're gonna run an espresso real quick. Do a test shot with our test coffee. It's going to make 2.5 ounces. There's that for you. And there's your test shot. Beautiful. Then we're going to test hot water. It's working really well. Then we're going to last test steam. We're going to use 1 portion of milk to do that. Beautiful steam. Working well. And that's pretty much all we did to the machine. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you.